Ciao, ciao. What's up, everybody?
Hola. Hi.
There's the boss.
Yeah, right. I finally made it to the boat.
She's been giving me a hard time.
Yep.
Well, you've been to the boat and I haven't. Well, guess what? Here we are.
We're at the boat.
With no electricity.
No, of course not.
They're working on the marina, so the electricity's off right now. But that's fine. We have electricity, but certain aspects like the fan
It's not working.
will not work.
Yeah, we don't want to run our battery down.
Yeah,
Seems if our batteries are new.
they're brand new. So, but anyway, they're doing that. We're gonna go get us something to eat. We're here and it's a beautiful, hot, windy day.
Yes. Our poor patrons are going, these people are freaking crazy.
But it is beautiful.
Yes. Looking at things, figuring out what we're going to do.
Yes.
A couple of projects maybe, but not right now. But we're figuring out what we have to purchase for the projects.
That means longer working.
Yep.
Our work is never done.
You're the one that put them in the cart for us to look at. True.
Anyway, got some other things we got to do. Hope you're having a fantastic day.
Yes.
We are.
We are, yep. And we will talk with you guys later today. Hola, guys. We just got back from lunch. We do have power. Yay! So we're seeing if the air conditioner works. Mike's out here. Well, what you see? Oh, it's sputtering? He may not have to blow out of the little hole to get it unclogged this time.
Yay!
Just still spittering?
Yep, now it stopped.
Uh-oh. Was that a constant P, is it?
Yeah, if it's running.
Oh. That's not good. I jinxed him. I think I jinxed him, guys. I'm sorry. But hey, we do have power. My little fan is on. I'll be able to turn my refrigerator back on. Or ice box. So we can...
Shut off?
No. It's still running. I'll be back with you guys. We interrupt this week's episode for a special announcement. Over to you, Mike.
Thank you, Juanita. How would you like to have a special edition Anchors Away sailing hat? Or Anchors Away sailing hat? If you'd like one, go to our Patreon page, Patreon/Anchors Away Sailing, and join our Patreon page, and you could have one of these hats, or two, or maybe you don't want a hat. Maybe you would rather have a special edition, limited edition Anchors Away Sailing t-shirt while they last. Have different colors, different sizes. They're limited edition. Get yours today by going again to Patreon/Anchors Away Sailing. And we may be seeing you out on the water with one of these or with one of these. Until next time.
Thank you, Mike. Now back to our regularly scheduled episode. Okay. Hey, peeps.
Really?
So, yes, I'm saying so. As you can see,
We're doing some surgery.
we're doing some surgery. That's a good way of putting it. Blowing through the tube didn't work.
Well, no, it
Well, let me rephrase that. It did work. It blew out debris, which was great.
That way.
That way. Whomever.
The Seacock that's under the water is stopped up. And she won't dive it to unplug it. So, I got to do it from this way because I'm not diving it to unplug it.
So
Yes, we have a diver that normally
do?
that dives, and he did say that if you have a problem to call him, but that doesn't mean he would come out today.
Correct. You gotta go down in there.
I gotta unscrew this.
And take it off, and then he gets to blow through another different tube.
Yes.
Ugh.
And hopefully don't get a mouthful of ocean water.
Because apparently, as he told me, as soon as he clears it out, water from underneath the boat's going to come in. I may leave the camera on just in case. Capture it all. Hey, we're live. It's supposed to be real life, right? So when he swallows a big old gulp of this beautiful brown Charleston Harbor water.
I'll make sure I throw it up on Juanita.
I'm sorry. That's just going to be so gross. So you gotta go fast. Go fast, man. Go fast.
I hear you.
You can tell he's a little apprehensive.
No, I'm trying to think if there's a better way to do it, that's all. Thus far, I haven't come up with a better way yet. So.
We will let you know how this turns out.
Oh, I'm sure when we get ready, you'll have the camera on.
Me?
Ah.
Hello, peoples. He got the screwy off, we think. And
Ready?
now he can't get it back on.
Ready?
Don't hit your head when it comes back up. Oh, I can hear it. You got bubbles down there. Woo.
I gotta get it back on. It won't go back on.
At least there's no water coming up.
Well, because I turned the Seacock off.
Oh, smart man. Okay, where's that go?
Oh, this?
On what? Let it way back in there?
Yep.
Wait, oh, I can't see the squat.
Get it down there.
And I can give it a shot if you want me to.
My problem is, I can't line it up straight. Get it started.
Gotcha. We'll let you know how it turns out.
I got the boss in there now. I think I got it started. Now we gotta tighten it. It's hot, man. It's hot. So I was taking a break while she tries to see if she can tighten it a little bit. How we doing? You are. There's not a lot of room down there. You know?
Heidi ho again. The previous frame you saw where Juanita, the boss, as Mike says, had her head down in there because she was fixing it. Guess what works? We got air conditioning now. She is so good. Ain't that right, Mike? And he's down there now just trying to maneuver things around.
You're amazing. You're absolutely amazing.
Kudos to him, actually. He had to take the thingy back off again because it wasn't on straight, which is what I kept telling him. But he did listen finally. Ah. Put it back on. He was able to clear whatever needed to be cleared. We turned on the air, and voila, The boat is peeing up a storm. Yay!
I'm fixing it.
He's fixing it.
Just tightening up some hose clamps.
He's getting really good at that. We will talk with y'all later.
Patience is a virtue.
This is true.
Howdy. 'Tis all fixed.
I don't want that to do that no more.
Huh?
I don't want to do that no more.
Me neither. So the Seacock
Stand right there.
was just had something slightly in it, but enough to
I don't want to know what was in it.
enough to seal it off. We have a diver that dives it every month, and he cleans the Seacocks and all. So I don't know quite when he comes. I think the beginning of the month. We're at the end of the
About
month,
that time,
so you know, it's anyway.
You did it.
But instead of us crawling down into the water,
That wasn't happening.
which we could have done.
When we're in the Caribbean, I have no problem. Pretty blue.
Wait, I want to get this on camera. What's the gun?
When we're in the Caribbean, I have no problem getting in the water.
You heard that here first.
I said getting in the water. I have no problem.
She'd have dived it in a heartbeat. No questions if it was clear.
Yes.
This water, she goes,
Oh, heck no.
I don't think so.
Nope. HE double hockey sticks.
So, but anyway, it is now working.
And it cools off fast. Your beat.
I'm heat exhausted.
You are.
But it's the thing with the boat is working in such. I got boo-boo on my finger, by the way. Is working in such a tight space and with no circulating air, and it already being warm, it doesn't help. But anyway, it is working, and we will begin to chill. So
Takes us a while.
she fixed it. We'll go with she fixed it.
She's so good.
Wonderful. Anyway, on to the next